Welcome to Nourish Nation, where we delve into holistic health remedies to keep you feeling your best. Today, we're sharing a soothing homemade medicinal tea to help you kick that pesky cold or flu to the curb. This recipe harnesses the natural healing powers of carefully selected ingredients, known for their medicinal benefits. First, we have ginger. A powerhouse for boosting immunity, ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It also aids in alleviating nausea and soothes sore throats. Next up, we add turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant known for reducing inflammation and strengthening the body's natural defenses. Together with ginger, turmeric creates a warm and comforting base for our healing brew. To sweeten the pot, we'll include honey. Not only does honey enhance the flavor, but it also provides antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off bacteria and viruses. Additionally, honey is excellent for soothing coughs, making it an essential ingredient in this medicinal blend. Lemon juice is added for a tangy twist and an extra dose of vitamin C, crucial for supporting immune function. Its natural acidity helps to break up mucus and clear congestion, allowing you to breathe easier. If you enjoy a hint of spice, consider adding a pinch of cayenne pepper. This fiery addition stimulates circulation and helps open up respiratory pathways, offering relief from congestion. Lastly, for a calming herbal touch, add a few sprigs of fresh mint or a bag of chamomile tea. Both options are known for their soothing properties and ability to calm the mind, which is especially beneficial when you're feeling under the weather. Simply combine these ingredients with hot water, let it steep for about 10 minutes, strain, and sip slowly. This homemade medicinal tea is not only effective but also comforting, warming you from the inside out during those chilly days. Always remember, while this tea can contribute to easing cold symptoms, it's important to rest and stay hydrated. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Don't forget to subscribe to Nourish Nation for more holistic health tips. Stay well, and we hope you're feeling better soon.